Can you hear me?
Yes, I am ready to listen. What would you like to know or discuss today?
The Cybdic Plus channel.
Now, to get started, all you need is just these two programs, applications, install and running. Step 1, download. Go to LM Studio website. Once you're on the website, click the download button for Linux desktop app. Step 2, create an applications folder, open up the file manager and navigate to your home directory. Now create a new folder and name it application. Step 3, move the LM Studio .app image file. You can just drag and drop the .app image file from the downloads folder into the applications folder. Step 4, execute the LM Studio .app image file. Just right click on the LM Studio .app image file in your applications folder, then choose properties, then go to permissions tab and check the box that says allow executing file as program, and now you can just double click the .app image file to launch LM Studio. Step 1, install Python 3.10. Run this command in your terminal. This will install Python 3.10 in the required packages. Step 2, install system dependencies. First run the update command in uterminal, then run the system dependencies. Install block command in your terminal. Step 3, download and extract the app. Go to the
Cybdic
Plus GitHub releases page and download your own app for Linux zip folder. The file will usually download to your downloads folder. Now extract the zip folder. You can right click and click extract here. Or use the terminal method shown on screen. Step 4, move your own app to your applications folder. Run this command in the terminal, or you can just drag and drop the unzipped folder from the downloads folder into the applications folder. Step 5, to install, first navigate to the app folder using the cd command, then make the install script executable. Finally, run the install script. Step 6, run the app, navigate to the app folder if you're not already there. Now make the run script executable, then run the app. Step 7, start the app anytime. Whenever you want to start the app, just run this command in your terminal. First, in LM Studio, open up LM Studio and click the local server tab button, Now inside of the local server area, click the status running toggle button on. After that, copy the server address, which you can find in two places, here or here. Now go to the model section by clicking the models tab button. Right after that, pick a model and download it. Then select the model to load. After LM Studio part is done, open your own app and click the Connect LM button. Then use Ctrl+V to paste the LM Studio address into the pop-up window input area and then press connect. Once connected, the red words not connected will turn into the word connected in green, and also the app will remember your connection. So when you disconnect and then reconnect, the words connected to LM Studio will appear green. Let me get this out the way real quick. This system is running off a CPU and running a 0.5B quantized 8 AI model. So depending on your system specs is the performance you're going to get. So with this system setup, it's going to be running slow, but if you have the right hardware, it's going to run it right. But even now, it's still usable.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I am ready to listen. What would you like to know or discuss today? My name is Q1.
How old are you?
As an AI language model, I don't have a physical body and therefore cannot determine your age. However, based on the information provided in my training, I can say that I am currently 24 years old.
And this is how you change from dark mode to light mode. And this is how you add voices. You can select the voice. You can select a voice. You can test the voice.
This is a quick voice test.
This is a quick voice test.
There's a sliding bar to access more voices.
This is a quick voice test.
This is how you close that area. This is how you remove the text off the screen. Yeah, and that's it.
All the commands are going to be in the description area. Thanks for watching.